Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Dear students, कल हमने MSc सेमेस्टर फोर्थ MSc जूलॉजी सेमेस्टर फोर्थ के स्पेशल पेपर 19A सेल एंड मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी की यूनिट फर्स्ट के अंतर्गत कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ द ओरिजिन एंड कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ ग्लाइकोजन स्टोरेज डिजीज के विषय में चर्चा की थी। आज हम कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ द ओरिजिन एंड कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ एड्स के विषय में चर्चा करेंगे। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि एड्स अर्थात एक्वायर्ड इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी सिंड्रोम, इट इज़ ए मॉडर्न प्लेग, द फर्स्ट pandemic of the second half of the 20th century. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome has been shortened to the chilling acronym AIDS. AIDS, the direct contact disease, first described in 1981. In 1959, David Carr checked himself in the City Hospital, Manchester, England. He was diagnosed as having tuberculosis. It was confined 35 years later than he died of AIDS. It was the first clinical evidence of death due to tuberculosis and associated disease developed on platform of AIDS. Now, evolution of HIV. A virus, simian T lymphotrophic virus type 3rd, related to HIV first, isolated from African green monkey and is believed to the ancestor of the HIV. This virus entered human and mutated to the two current African human viruses. These intermediate viruses may have evolved into highly virulent HIV first. Now, distribution of HIV first. HIV first spread to the Caribbean and then to the United States and Europe. Epidemiologically, AIDS occurs worldwide. In India, cases of HIV infection and AIDS are exposed very rapidly and are concentrated in southern India and East India. Now, HIV first. AIDS is caused primarily by the HIV virus, which occurs in two types. First, HIV first. HIV first, the most common causative virus of AIDS, and second, HIV second, which rarely cause AIDS. The virus is a retrovirus and closely related to HTLV, अर्थात ह्यूमन टी लिम्फोट्रॉफिक वायरस फर्स्ट. It is a retrovirus, family Retroviridae. The family name is based on the Latin word retro, meaning backward. This backward step of making DNA from an RNA template occurs only in retrovirus infected animal cells. Now, structure of virus. Its size is about 100 nanometer The basic structure of a viron is a nucleic acid core surrounded by a protein coat called a capsid. In addition, there may be a few enzyme molecules, additional structural proteins, and a surrounding membranes which is called the envelope. Other proteins form structure called spikes that protrude from the envelope, जैसा कि चित्र में दिखाया गया है. इसमें schematic diagram of the HIV first viron. The capsid which surround the nucleic acid core of a virus is made up of smaller unit called capsomeres. Capsomeres made up of 5 or 6 promoters. Pentamers have 5 subunits and hexamers possess 6 subunits. Pentamers are at the edges of the icosahedral structure, whereas hexamers join to the form capsomere through non-covalent bonding. Now, viral envelopes. The membrane that surrounds enveloped virus a piece of the host cell's cytoplasmic membrane, and viron acquires its envelope as it emerges from its host cells. Viral envelopes contains both phospholipid and proteins. The phospholipid portion of a viral envelope comes from the host. But the proteins are viral. The retroviral core contains 2 copies of the single-stranded HIV first genomic RNA that is associated with various performed HIV first genomic RNA that is associated with various performed viral enzymes, including the reverse transcriptase, integrase, ribonuclease, and protease. Now, mode of transmission. The HIV is acquired by direct exposure of a person's blood stream to body fluid, such as blood, semen, vaginal secretion, etc., containing the virus through sexual contact or perinatally from an infected mother to her fetus. It is also possible that a newborn can be infected from breastfeeding. Now, route of transmission: sexual, in which homosexual and heterosexual; parental, intravenous drug use; transfusion, needle stick; invasive medical or dental. Procedure vary rate: maternal to child, perinatal, and breastfeeding. Now, life cycle of HIV. In the case of HIV, this is complicated by the fact that virus can adopt a dormant state as a previous, and by the fact that the virus can infect a variety of cell types with quite different outcomes. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम साइटोकाइनेज रिलेटेड डिजीज़ के विषय में चर्चा करेंगे। धन्यवाद।